The Lying Parrot, a short story. Once there was a parrot who lived in a big tree. He could talk like humans. One day a farmer found him and took him home. The farmer gave him a nice cage, fruits and love. At first the parrot was happy, but soon he started laying. He told the farmer that the cat stole the food, though it was the parrot himself. He said the dog broke the pot, but he had knocked it down. The farmer believed him at first, but one day the farmer saw the parrot laying with his own eyes. The farmer got sad and stopped talking to him. The parrot felt sorry and promised never to lie again. Moral of this story is always tell the truth, lies break trust.